When you've logged into the WordPress admin, you will see the Posts and Pages menu items on the sidebar menu. Hovering over Posts, you will see a flyout menu with entries: all posts, add new, categories, and tags. At the top of this page you will see a button labeled Add New. Clicking this will display the block editor. This is the main editing experience in WordPress. Filling in the title where requested will create a slugged version of this page title, which will be used for your page's website address. Once a page has been saved, you can edit this URL slug in the permalink section of the sidebar in this editor. You can now begin typing your content into the main editor field. If you click the blue square plus button, you will see other content you can create using the block editor. We'll cover using these other content blocks later. Suffice to say at this point, every time you add a new paragraph, you are creating a new paragraph block. The editor panel on the right-hand side can hide itself on smaller screens. Click the cog icon to show. This panel allows you to tab between controls that affect the post or the block you currently have selected. You can change the visibility of a post. Change the date and time when a post is published. Change the post format or update the author for a post in this tab. Scrolling down, you will see collapsed panels labeled Categories, Tags, Featured Image, Excerpt and Discussion. The Categories panel, when opened, will allow you to assign a post to a category. The Tags panel, when opened, will allow you to create or assign a post to a new or existing tag. The Featured Image panel will allow you to associate this post with an image. Clicking the Set Featured Image label will display a Media Library, Media Upload panel, which enables you to upload an image or select one from those you've previously uploaded. To upload an image from your local machine, either select Files using the button, or drag and drop the files from your desktop. Once you've selected an image you wish to use, you can enter alt text, title, caption and description for an image. Clicking the Set Featured Image button will close the dialog and save the association with the post. Clicking the Excerpt panel will allow you to enter a small text snippet that, depending on your theme, will be shown where you don't want the full body text of a post to be displayed. Clicking the Discussion panel will display two checkboxes to enable you to control whether a page will allow user comments and another if it should allow special signals called pingbacks and trackbacks from external websites. Once you've finished editing your post, you can either save it as a draft or click the Publish button. On clicking on Publish, you will once again be asked to confirm publishing settings before clicking the Publish button again to confirm. To view settings for the editor itself, click the three dots button. Adding a page is very similar to this, except you do not assign pages to categories or assign tags. Editing uses the same editor and the same basic method as adding posts. Back on the post screen you will see the Bulk Actions drop-down. Bulk actions take place against one or more posts at once. Clicking on Quick Edit underneath each page or post, you can manage some of the settings directly from this listing screen. You can, for example, choose categories and tags that a post is in, change status of a post or page and update a publishing date. Posts or pages when deleted in WordPress are not immediately deleted permanently, but rather placed in a bin, where they are kept for 30 days. After this they are deleted and cannot be restored.